In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product gallery images in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're managing an online store, having a visually appealing product gallery is crucial for showcasing your products and enhancing customer experience. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure your product pages are both beautiful and functional. First, you'll need to head over to your WordPress Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. And from here, you can access everything you need to update your WooCommerce store. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Products. This is where all of your product listings are stored, and it's the gateway to editing your product details. Next, find the product you want to update from the list of products displayed. If you have a lot of products, you might find it helpful to use the search bar to quickly locate the specific item. Once you've located the product, hover over it and click on Edit. This will take you into the product's detailed settings page where you can alter anything from price to stock levels. Once you're in the product edit screen, you should see an option labeled Product Gallery on the right-hand side of the page. This is where you'll be adding your images. Click on Product Gallery, and you'll see an option to Add Product Gallery Images. Clicking this button will open the WordPress Media Library, where you can select your images. If your images are already uploaded to the Media Library, simply click on each one you want to add. You can select multiple images by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking. This is super handy and a real-time saver if you're adding several images at once. If your images are not yet uploaded, you can easily upload them by dragging and dropping them into the Media Library window and selecting them once they're uploaded. After you've selected the images you wish to use, click Add to Gallery. This will include the selected images in your product gallery and automatically save the changes. It's a simple process, but crucial for making your product stand out. A well-curated gallery with high-quality images can make a significant difference in attracting and retaining customers. And there you have it. Straightforward steps to take your product listings to the next level in WooCommerce. Remember, the more visually appealing your product page is, the more likely your visitors are to convert into customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide proves to be helpful for your WooCommerce store. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tricks.